Today I have for you this 8-tiered plant stand and light by Sola. This is really a beautiful piece that if you're looking for a plant stand with lights, this really kind of covers it all. Not only does it give you the ambient light for your living room, this is a simple on-off switch here. The light bulb is included with this set. It also does include these plant lights that have different settings. And within these lights here, I'll give you a close-up look of everything. You've got a timer that you can use on the lights. You can rotate if you want. Let's try to separate these. One, 2, or 3 lights. So that's all of them. Here's just 2 lit up. There's just 1. And there's all 3. There's also a timer on this switch. I didn't want to mount these yet so I could talk about the options you have. But what you would do is mount these under the racks that you need the light on. Some plants, like this one, they don't need light. So that's a good spot for that one. But my little cactus here, he does need light. So this would be a good spot to put those. Included with the set, you get several extra little sticky backs to use to stick those on there. And then to make the cord not visible from the main lamp, there's zip ties and Velcro ties that you can use to attach. And then you see, you don't see anything. So let's take a closer look of this and you can just see how beautiful it is. All right, starting from the very top here, we're going to go down and just show you. It's a beautiful curved S-like shape. And you can hold more than just plants. You can also put little beautiful knickknacks or maybe some magazines. So really, this is just an absolutely beautiful plant stand. I love it. Really a great buy.